Today, we speak about greed, the force that keeps us running without rest, and at times drives us to the edge of a cliff. Many people misunderstand meditation as an act of killing desire. But a living being without desire is like a car with its engine turned off. Today, we will not learn how to eliminate greed, but how to mount the back of this wild horse and take hold of the reins, how to become its true master. Greed is energy pulsing with life. Do not misunderstand, to cut off greed does not mean to kill your vitality. Desire is a natural energy flowing through every living being. It is not a sin to want food when hungry, warmth when cold, or a better life for yourself. Modern psychology also recognizes human desire as the driving force of growth motivation. Greed can be an intense focus to achieve something, an explosive energy that makes the impossible possible. The problem is not greed itself, but the unconscious state of being dragged along by it, without knowing where that energy is flowing. Do not be dragged. Be the one who holds the reins. True meditation does not castrate desire. It observes the very moment desire arises. Imagine your greed as a powerful wild horse. If the horse drags you toward a cliff, it is disaster. But if you climb onto its back and firmly hold the reins, guiding it toward a destination, it becomes the most powerful vehicle you could have. If I don't get this, I'll die, I'll do whatever it takes. If such thoughts rule your mind, you have become a servant of greed. In truth, deficiency and anxiety have become your master. But if you say, a strong energy to obtain something is arising within me, I will use this energy to grow and to benefit the world, then awareness has become the master. You are now the one directing greed, not the one being directed. In an age of greed, possess but do not be possessed. We live in an era overflowing with temptations of wealth, fame, and success. In such a time, the simple advice abandon desire can sound hollow. The Buddha spoke of non-attachment, but this does not mean owning nothing. It means have things, but do not cling to them as mine and do not let them own you. When you hold the reins, even if you earn vast sums of money, your soul is not mortgaged to it. If it comes, you use it wisely. If it leaves, you can wave it goodbye, saying, "It stayed for a while, and now it is gone." That composure is the dignity of one who has mastered greed. Transform self-centered craving into a vow that serves all. When greed is trapped within the narrow fence of me alone, it becomes poison. But shift its direction slightly. The moment you think, I will succeed so I can help more people, or I will become the best in my field to contribute to the world, petty greed transforms into a noble vow, a great aspiration. This choice determines whether you remain an ordinary seeker of gain or become a contributor who uplifts many. The energy within you is the same, only the direction of intention differs. As you conclude this meditation, quietly observe the desires within you. Do not hate or suppress them. Instead, smile and say, "So this powerful energy has been flowing within me. Thank you, now I will be your master and guide you toward the most beautiful destination." You are no longer a slave dragged by greed. You are a seasoned surfer riding its waves across the sea of freedom. Today, whenever you strongly want something, pause and check the reins. Ask yourself, am I using this desire or is this desire using me? In the instant you reclaim the seat of mastery, your greed is reborn as a great creative energy capable of changing the world. And when the energy of desire feels too strong, as if you might lose your grip, do not let that heat rise from your chest to your head. Instead, gently drop it down to the soles of your feet. When you allow that energy to flow into the earth rather than confining it within the narrow prison of me, greed is purified into clear wisdom. Are you seeking a deeper inner peace,